the direction of gradient f, right? For a scalar field f of xyz is equal to half x square minus xy plus half z square at the point p of 112 is, right? So here direction of gradient f means any direction is unit vector. What is unit vector? Representing direction, right? That means gradient f, this is a vector, means its direction is that vector divided by its modulus, right? Now gradient f you can simply find what is that, 2x, that is gradient f I am finding, that is I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z of, right? The function is half x square minus xy plus half z square, right? Then if you expand this, gradient f is equal to here 2x come, right? Half x square, then x I cap, here minus, sorry, here two functions we have, then dou by dou x of here x come, here with respect to x doing 1, then x minus y into I cap, right? And with respect to y you do here only one y parameter, y on doing 1, right? Then what come? The remaining is x, alright. Then minus x j cap, alright. And with respect to z do this and this 0, then here you have plus z k cap, right? Now at 112 means this will be 0, right? x1 y1, here 1 minus 1 j cap, right? Here z is 2, then 2 k cap, then we want normal vector, then n cap is equal to del f divided by mod del f. So let me take the modulus of this, that is 1 plus 4, then minus I j cap plus 2 k cap by root 5. So which is the option? Minus j cap plus 2 k cap divided by root 5. Then option B is correct, right? Alright.